Imagine owning a house and lot property where your creativity knows no bounds. Na dito, you have the freedom to customize every aspect of the designs, from the materials to be used, number of rooms, even yung placement ng mga rooms na to. In this project, the possibilities are endless. I am Amor Almogera and I'm Mr. Own That Property, and welcome to V at Southern Plains. Going to V, e-exit lang tayo dito sa SLEX sa Silangan exit. So going to Carmel Town, and then from here 500 meters away na lang yung V. So dito yung landmarks niya ay makikita natin. So kakanan tayo dito from the exit. Tapat lang siya nung Coca-Cola warehouse. And then itong si South Plains kasi is matagal na to. Kumbaga decades na rin siya. So ang nangyari lang, nagkaroon sila ng partnership with Victor Consunji Development Corporation. So familiar no, Consunji. So mamaya i-explain natin kung sino ba siya. So far smooth naman yung roads dito. Nagkaroon na rin kasi ng renovation dun sa kalsada papunta dun sa V. And hindi ka naman malulubak or hindi ka naman masyadong matatraffic, I guess, kapag pumunta ka dun sa mismong location. So yan, tapat lang siya ng Coca-Cola. And makikita mo na mismo yung entrance ng V. So may makikita kang malaking V doon sa entrance sa South Plains, Laguna. Pag nakita mo na yung malaking V na sign, kakanan ka lang dito. So kakalampas or kakapasok lang natin ng entrance dito sa South Plains, no? So from here, makikita mo na rin pagpasok mo yung mga existing na lote and yung mga bahay na nakatayo. So sabi ko kanina, matagal na rin talagang na-establish or na-develop itong South Plains. Pupunta muna tayo dun sa pinaka-clubhouse ng V, and from there, i-elaborate ko and i-discuss ko sa iyo kung ano yung meron dito sa project na to. Actually, matagal nang existing tong Southern Plains, no? And recently, they had a partnership with Victor Consunji Development Corporation where they purchased 15 hectares of land, which is equivalent to 500 units ng lote. Sounds familiar ba? Victor Consunji is the son of the famous David Consunji, yung founder ng DMCI. And itong si VCDC, meron na rin talaga silang excellent track record in terms of designing and constructing high-end communities. VCDC is focused on elevating the living experience of the home buyers into a premium level. And dito sa V, yung mga home buyers can choose between 3 na tinatawag na lifestyle zones. There are 3 lifestyle zones na tinatawag dito. So number 1 is the active zone, the fun zone, and kung nasan tayo ngayon sa main clubhouse, this is the social zone. Nandito tayo ngayon sa social zone. So this includes this fully air-conditioned open plan layout with curated furniture pieces, a well-designed social space for any occasion. This is great for professionals, growing families, and even for empty nesters who like to be closer to the clubhouse for entertainment and relaxation. Next is the active zone. This is the best zone for fitness enthusiasts as it's closer to the fitness park. This includes an Olympic-sized pool, full-size basketball court, fully equipped gym, and a studio for dance and yoga classes. The third one is the fun zone, where families with kids will love its proximity to the kids park. This includes kids playground, a kiddie pool with play equipment, a fully air-conditioned multifunctional hall for play dates and celebrations, and a private cinema. Dito sa V, meron tayong dalawang categories ng house and lot. So, number 1 is yung Premier Villas, yung IV na 150 square meters, at itong model house na to, Sage na 230 square meters. Next is yung Grand Villas na nandun yung Harper na 400 square meters and yung Stella na 300 square meters. And yung mga model houses na yon, i-discuss natin yon sa mga susunod na videos. Being in the industry for a very long time, so nilevel up talaga ni VCDC yung pagbibuild nila ng premium houses. na dito, pwede mo i-customize yung villa mo, making it uniquely yours. So ano nga ba yung mga pwede nating i-customize sa house and lot dito? So pwede natin i-customize yung number 1, yung number of stories ng bahay. Number 2, yung outdoor space na you can choose between adding a pool, garden, or a balcony. Yung number and size ng rooms, and yung architectural and interior details ng mismong bahay. And given all these customizable aspects, ina-assure pa rin nila yung durability and yung aesthetics ng mismong villas. So Amor, paano nga ba yung proseso ng pag-secure ng villa dito sa V at Southern Plains? So since everything is customizable, magkakaibang clients, unique yung design. So bago tayo makapag-reserve, kailangan ma-finalize muna natin yung number of stories, number of rooms, and kung ilan yung rooms per stories ng bahay. And once ma-finalize natin yun, for example, 3 stories yung bahay, 6 bedrooms, and 3 bedrooms per floor, meron ng corresponding computation for that. After that, may susundan lang din tayo at i-monitor na milestone like after the reservation, yung signing ng contract, and yung preparation ng post-dated checks. And then, papasok na tayo sa customization stage where pipili na tayo ng materyales such as yung paint, tiles, and everything. Kumbaga, ipa-finalize na natin yung mismong design ng bahay. And reminder lang, no, highlight ko na rin dito, pumapayag lang sila up to 2 revisions. So, any revisions after that, magkakaroon na ng revision fees. And kapag na-finalize na yung design, approve na ni client, so, po-proceed na tayo dun sa construction drawings. And after that, yung mismong construction na. So, yung construction may take 12 to 15 months. So, with all of this, pwede nyo akong kontakin para mas ma-explain and ma-elaborate ko sa inyo lahat ng to. And that's it for our project review here in V at Southern Plains. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell para mas updated kayo doon sa mga susunod nating videos dahil i-feature natin yung 4 na models dito. For more real estate updates and property listings, you can follow me on my social media accounts, no? So nasa Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram ako at Mr. Own That Property. So send me a message and let me help you own a property here at V at Southern Plains.